Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Made with Love video. Today I have a really nice paper craft for you. This is my Forever Mine layered paper craft. How fun is that? You've got that nice silhouette of the little couple. They're holding hands, embracing each other in this really nice scene, and then it's all framed in a chocolate heart box. I just love it very much. It's completely different than what you normally see, and it's just really unique. This paper craft is really easy to put together, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. Okay, for this project you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a weeding tool, brayer, scraper, glue and adhesive. You might want some foam squares in case you want to add some different dimension to the different layers, and then your cardstock. Now that we know all of our different materials, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Made with Love 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the download button on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in access to all 12 event files, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing, you can find out more information about the VIP Access Pass for Made with Love 2025 in the description box below. No matter how you download the file, make sure that you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. In an effort to be inclusive, I have 3 different versions of this layered paper craft. One for a straight or heterosexual couple, one for a gay couple, so 2 men, and one for a lesbian couple, so 2 women. Pick whichever version is going to be right for your particular situation. For this tutorial, I'm going to be making the straight couple version. Go ahead and click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that the project has been brought into our canvas. If you need to resize the design at all, whether it be to put in a shadow box or to be used in a card, you can do that in the sizing options. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the white, cream, light pink, pink, light purple, blue, and then dark purple. Now if you want to add foam squares between the different layers to add some dimension, you certainly can do that. I, however, am just going to layer everything together. So I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit and I will show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there we go. Our layered paper craft is all finished. What did you think of this? It's really fun to put together, and you can completely change the vibe of the paper craft depending on what kind of paper you use. Just really fun. I hope that you like it. If you make this paper craft, I hope that you share it with us in our Facebook group. We have thousands of paper crafting and card making friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Made with Love video. Bye-bye.